So a permutation is when order matters. And a combination, which we'll talk about tomorrow, is when order doesn't matter. Okay? So when you think about it, if I were to come in this room and there were 50 kids in here, and I say I need 3 people to come with me, it wouldn't matter if I picked you first, second, or third, you're still getting to go with me. You understand that? So the 50 kids are in this room, and I come in and I pick 3 of you, and I say, you guys come to my car, you're going to get something out of my car, right? But if I came in the room and I said the first guy I pick is going to come to my car, the second guy I pick is going to go upstairs and get something from the science room, and the third guy I pick is going to clean the toilets, it would matter which one I picked you at, right? At that point, order matters. So that would be a permutation. So permutation, there's usually a lot more ways for things to be grouped in a permutation than in a combination, okay? If I'm going to a bookstore and I need to pick out 3 books for myself, it doesn't matter what order I pick them in, I'm going to end up with 3 books in a bag. Doesn't matter if I pick it first, second, and last. However, if the first book I read first, the second book I pick I read second, and the third book I read third, then order does matter. Okay? So today we're just doing permutations. Tomorrow we're just doing combinations, but the next day they're going to be mixed. So you're going to have to figure out which is which and how to attack it based on what I've just told you. Okay? Order matter, order doesn't matter. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to say how many ways are there to rearrange the letters, assuming that we're dealing with nonsensical words. How do you rearrange the letters of algebra? And how many different words can you make with the letters of algebra? Well, there's a problem here. Everybody look at the word algebra. See if you can tell me what the problem is. Algebra has 2 A's. So if you were writing it, let me just put this a lowercase so we don't get confused. So we have 2 A's. If you're writing it and you use the last A first or the first A first, you wouldn't know the difference. They're indistinguishable, those 2 A's. So the way you do this is you count the letters in the word algebra, which is 7. And then underneath it, you put the duplicates that you have, and you back those out. Because if I spell the word algebra and I switch these 2 A's, I still have the same word, so I don't count it twice. So you divide by 2 exclamation. There's 2,520 ways to rearrange those. If you can imagine, it's like Scrabble blocks. You can rearrange them where the A is not counted twice when it's rearranged. Now let's look at this word, M-I-S-S-I-S-S-I-P-P-I. Go ahead and tell me what you think. So when you do it separately, each letter separately, it's 34,650 different groupings of the letters.